So quite the drastic change from all the wind and rain that we received over the last few days.
And Local 10's Christian De La Rosa is live in Fort Lauderdale, where a lot of folks are now adjusting to the seasonal change. Christian.
Adjusting, embracing. Clearly, a lot of the businesses along Las Olas and A1A are just trying to make the best of it. People out, heaters out, Santa too.
Then all the reindeer loved him.
Businesses bustling Monday night after a painful stretch of wet and windy weather. Just ask Mr. Rich Lane with Rich Lane Rides.
It was brutal.
It was pretty rough, honestly. They had to cut so many people. It was really rough.
Before the sun went down on A1A near Las Olas, restaurants and bars putting all their tricks to work. Space heaters too. And who knew? It's Martini Monday.
We have 2-for-1 jumbo drinks. We have some heaters we bring out to bring in some more business.
Haley Jewett with Rock Bar says they're making the most of it before the temps drop. She's not a fan.
Oh my gosh, it's so bad.
I don't particularly like it.
Elizabeth Franchini out enjoying the weather with Raja.
This weekend was terrible. It was absolutely miserable. Gray, windy, everything was canceled.
Of course, we know many of the folks out and about here are visiting and not spoiled with the weather like we are in South Florida. A lot of these people are like from Minnesota anyway.
Yeah, you're right. This is nothing to them. He will be right back. Give it like a week.
Mr. Lane sure hopes so.
I think I'm gonna get a blanket or two so, they can snuggle up,
As my friend Betty Davis would say, it is cuddle weather. So get your layers on, get your eating on, get your drinking on. A lot of the businesses out here will love you for it and love to see you. Live in Fort Lauderdale, I'm Christian De La Rosa, Local 10 News.